Hey everybody, it's Lane Walker here from Flex Innovations. Today we're out in the plane shop working on the Edge Generation 2 540, and today I just wanted to show you the Dual Sky Smoke Completion Pack 120cc version. There's three versions that this comes in. It comes in 70, 120, and 180. Here in the box, in the Dual Sky Smoke Completion Pack, you get the McFueler dot, you get a Dual Sky check valve, the smoke tank 32 ounce, and you get a 3-foot section of Tygon tubing, and then you get your Dual Sky DP1000 smoke pump. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get to unboxing this. I'm going to go ahead and pull the tab out, pull this up. Here's your manual and your specs on the front. Lay that right there. You get your stickers from Dual Sky. Lay that right there as well. You get your Viton fuel tubing, your clear fuel tubing, and then you get your inline smoke filter with 2 compression fittings that go on the end here. Lay that down. And then we have our 3M tape that goes on it to help pad the smoke pump. It also comes with a T and a check valve here as well, so that's 2 check valves. And then we're going to get to the smoke pump. Here's the smoke pump. Comes with your wires, power plug in, your control, and in and out. All nice, very nice, shiny aluminum. And here's the bottom. So we'll go ahead and lay that down. And then finally, here's your screws to mount the DP1000 to your airplane. So here are the specs of the DP1000. So it is 89 grams. It operates at on a 2S LiPo voltage, so 7.4 to 8.4. It operating current is 0.9 amps or 900 milliamps at 7.4 volts. You come down here to the quantity of flow. We have 1,000 milliliters at 7.4 volts and 1,330 milliliters at 8 volts. Hey everybody, we took a second to make a basic mock setup of how this is going to go together in your aircraft. So I just wanted to start the smoke tank. So we'll go to the clunk, and it'll suck up here to your inline filter. It'll go into the inlet on your pump, and then pump and come out to your T-line here, and it'll come out to your one-way check valves, and then it'll run into your mufflers. And all this can be referenced in the owner's manual on the DP1000 brushless smoke pump from Dual Sky. So if you're running a multi-cylinder or single-cylinder engine, it has that, your multi-cylinder gasoline engines, and even jet models. And it has your wiring diagrams and everything, and it has all troubleshooting on the back, and flow signal calibration processes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this simple little unboxing and basic overview of the 120 smoke completion pack from Flex Innovations and Dual Sky, and I'm really excited to put it into my new Edge G2 from Flex Innovations as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's Lane from the plane shop, and I'll see you guys in the next one.